Are you a skilled foreigner who is looking to live and work in Germany but having difficulties finding a way to do that? Let me tell you, Germany offers visa options for almost everything. So pay attention now. My name is Manuel and I, together with One, created Growing Abroad to help highly skilled foreigners with a university degree to find jobs in Germany, empowering them to make their dream of living in Europe come true, and of course, learn about the German culture. And in this video, you will learn everything about the different visa options you have as a foreigner when you want to come to Germany. In Germany, life changes dramatically at the moment, actually. Never before there were so many open positions like today, 1.74 million. And by 2035, there could be a shortage of 5 million workers. Business experts and politicians in Germany agree that we urgently need qualified workers from abroad, 400,000 each year. That's why Germany has many different visa options for skilled people like you. But who actually needs a visa? Not everybody needs to apply. Some people can just book a flight and come to Germany. It always depends on where you're from. So people who don't need a visa at all are citizens of the EU and the EFTA states, which are Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, or Switzerland. When you are one of these people, you have the freedom to move and work in Germany, and you won't need a visa or a residence permit to enter and work here. The next category are people who can enter Germany without a visa. But once they are in Germany and want to work here, they need to apply for a residence permit inside the country. People from this category are citizens from Australia, Israel, Japan, Canada, Korea, New Zealand, Britain, Ireland and America. And the last category are people from all other countries. They always need a visa to enter Germany. They must submit a visa application to their local German embassy before they come to Germany. Now let's come to the different visa types. There are 7 main visa types and 9 additional ones. The first visa type is the work visa for qualified professionals. So, who is this visa for? This visa is for everybody who completed a qualified vocational training or a course of study outside of Germany and want to work in Germany as a skilled worker. So what do I need to get this visa? First of all, you need to have a job offer from a German company. Second, your qualification needs to be recognized and comparable to a German degree. When you want to work in a regulated profession like healthcare professions, you will also need a license to practice. And third, if you are over 45 and you come to Germany for the first time, you need to earn 48,180 euro per year with your job in Germany. This was the work visa for qualified professionals. Let's get to the next visa type, the European Blue Card. So, who is this visa for? This visa is for everybody who completed a foreign academic degree. So everybody who studied successfully in a foreign university and want to work in Germany. What do I need to get a blue card? First of all, you need a job offer from a German company. Second, you must earn a minimum of 43,800 euro per year in a job in Germany, and the job must match your qualification. But if you work in a job which is demanded in Germany, you only need to earn 39,682 euro per year as of 2023. And third, your degree must be comparable to a German degree. And this was the European Blue Card for academic professionals from abroad. Let's come to the next visa type, the job seeker visa. Who is this visa for? This visa is for skilled people who want to look for a job in Germany inside the country. So you can come to Germany for 6 months without having a job and then search for a job in Germany itself. And what do I need to get a job seeker visa? First of all, you need to have a completed vocational training or an academic degree. Second, your degree needs to be recognized in Germany and equivalent to a German degree. And third, you need to prove that you can cover your costs of living during the 6 months you are in Germany. You can do that, for example, over a blocked account. And last but not least, if you have completed vocational training, you also need to prove that you can speak German at the level B1. This was the job seeker visa. Be aware that a job won't come automatically. Also, when you're inside the country, you need to rock your job search in order to get a job. Otherwise, the entire process was useless. Many highly skilled foreigners already tried, but many also failed. There is a high demand, but they don't take everybody. So you need to be perfectly prepared for your entire job search. The way of introducing yourself in companies in Germany is very different from your home country. If you don't know the exact strategies and methods, you will fail. You need to convince in paper 120%. You need to know the tricks to look for the right jobs. And most important, you need to know how to convince German hiring managers. It doesn't matter how good your skills are. If you don't know the German techniques, then you won't have a chance against your competitors. But don't worry, we from Growing Abroad help highly skilled foreigners with a university degree to get a job in Germany in 3 months. We are German career experts and already trained many other skilled foreigners to land their dream job. Just contact us and we will tell you how to do it. Below the video you will find all the information how to reach us. But let's get back to the next visa category. Fourth, the visa for the recognition of your foreign qualification. So, who is this visa for? This visa is for all the people who wanted to recognize their degree for Germany but failed, probably because some qualifications were missing. In this case, you can attend a qualification program in Germany to complete the missing qualification. For these cases, you have the visa for the recognition of your foreign qualification. And how do I get this visa? First of all, you need to show that your recognition process was not successful. Second, you need to be registered at a relevant qualification program in Germany. Third, you need to have a German language skill of A2. And last but not least, you need to cover your costs of living during the stay in Germany. This visa shows even when your degree is not completely recognized in Germany, you don't have to give up. Put in the work and try out this option. When you are motivated and willing to go the extra mile, you will succeed in the end. Okay, let's come to the next visa option, the visa for training. Who is this visa for? This visa is for everybody who wants to do a vocational training in Germany. And how do I get this visa? First of all, you need to be accepted at a training program in Germany. Second, you need to have a German level of B1. Third, you must be able to cover your costs of living during your stay in Germany, at least 903 euro per month. That's it. Let's get to the next visa option, the visa for self-employment. So, who is this visa for? This visa is for everybody who wants to set up their own business in Germany, like a startup project or working as a freelancer. It is issued for up to 3 years. And what do I need to get this visa? If you want to set up a business, there needs to be a demand in your product, and your company needs to have a positive effect on the German economy. And of course, you need to be able to finance your business. If you want to work as a freelancer, you also need to have enough money to finance your project, and you need a license to work in the job you wish for. Let's get to the last big visa option, the visa for studying. So, who is this visa for? This visa is for everybody who wants to study in a German university. And what do I need to get this visa? First of all, you need to be accepted in a German university. Second, you need to have a secondary school diploma or a recognized degree from another university, which allows you to study at a German university. Third, you need to cover your costs of living during your studies. And last but not least, sometimes, depending on the study program, you must provide German language skills at level B2. So these were the 7 main visa options for skilled foreigners. There are other visa types as well. For example, the visa for research, when you want to work as a researcher in Germany. Then the visa for language acquisition. This visa is for people who want to learn German in a German language school. Then there is a visa for study-related internships. This visa is for foreign students who want to complete an internship in Germany. Then there is a special visa for IT specialists. This visa is for IT specialists who don't have a university degree. Then there are special regulations for professional drivers. There are special regulations for artists, for language teachers, for professional athletes and esports professionals. So you can see there are many visa options for all kind of people. So what are you waiting for? You want to come and work in Germany? Then take the first step now. And if you have a university degree, we from Growing Abroad help you to get a job in Germany in 3 months. We are German career experts and already trained many other skilled foreigners to land their dream job. So contact us now to get to know us. Below the video, you will find all the information how to reach us. We can't wait to hear from you. And to make this channel bigger so that we can make more videos like this, please like the video. It would help us so much. And if you haven't done it already, subscribe our channel. Every Friday there will be a new YouTube video. So see you next Friday. Auf Wiedersehen.